மட்டுமல்லாம கன்னடம், தெலுங்கு போன்ற மற்ற மொழிகளில் சிறப்பான தன்னுடைய நடிப்பினால் பல உள்ளங்களை கவர்ந்த அந்த சிறப்பான நடிகர் மற்றும் இயக்குனர் தான் இப்ப மேடைக்கு அழைக்க போகிறோம். So ladies and gentlemen, it's time to welcome always handsome and smart and young and a charismatic round of applause. Let's welcome actor director Mr. Jay Akash.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு என் மக்களை உலகத்தில் எல்லாரும் பார்த்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. Love you all, Kerala people, everyone. Love you and nice to see you all.
Thank you for coming all the way here. We would like to give you a token of appreciation, so we're going to call up all the sponsors on the stage.
ఆనందమైన సినిమాతో నాకు ఒక స్టార్ స్టేటస్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ సినిమాని నేను ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చింది. I love you.
For all the Telugu fans, make some noise, guys.
మీ అందరి కోసం మీ ఫేవరెట్ సాంగ్ ఒక వన్ లైన్ పాడతాను. కన్నులు తెరిచిన కలలు మూసిన కలలు ఆగవేళ, నిజం తెలిసిన కలని చెప్పిన మనసు నమ్మదేలా, ఎదుటే ఎప్పుడు తిరిగే వెలుగా ఇదిగో ఇప్పుడే చూసా సరిగా. I know it's your favorite song. I'm happy to see you guys.
Lovely, once again, sir, such a supportive artist, you're born artist. ஈகாமே நீங்க இவ்வளவு பெரிய அழகான விஷயத்தை பண்ணதுக்காக ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. And hope you all have more questions to ask the chief guest, but we will be parting the questions for now. And எங்களுடைய நிறைய பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இருக்கு. எல்லா பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸும் நீங்க பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுடைய ஃபீட்பேக்கை ஷேர் பண்ண ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். And thank you once again for coming here.
It's my pleasure. Actually, dance.